My name is Managmanag Car Vincent Hari G, VSIT 1B. At ito po yung project scenario ko po, making a lottery number figure using combination without repetition and exemption handling in C++. Every year, a small college holds a small lottery draw for fundraising events for different college departments like IT, education, business, and engineering. The committee wants each participant to play and pick 6 unique numbers between 1 and 49, and prizes are awarded based on randomly drawn combinations. To make the things fair and reliable, the committee wants a program that participants choose their own numbers only if they follow the rules. This means the pick number must have no repeated numbers. To make this easier, the committee asked a student named Carl who studies computer science to create a C++ program that helps users enter valid lottery numbers. Carl understands that the user must pick 6 numbers without repetition, and the order of the number doesn't matter. He decided to use combination without repetition to avoid numbers being repeated. Each number can only be picked once, so only one should appear. This is called combination without repetition. Carl also wants the program to be strong and safe, so he had exemption handling to be able to catch mistakes. These mistakes include if the input is not a number, the program should stop and show a message, invalid input, please enter a number. Ito yung dito naman, pag naglagay ka ng kunwari letter, magpapakita invalid input, please enter a valid number. Tatry natin mamaya. If the number is outside the range, less than 1 or more 49, ito na pag naglagay tayo ng kunwari number 50, magpapakita number must be between 1 and 14. If the same number is entered than once, the program should stop and show a message you already chose that number, pick a different one. Ito naman pagka pumili ka ng same number do sa pinili mo una. Tapos, if any unknown error occurs, the program should stop and show a message, unexpected error occurred. Carl uses a simple try-catch block in C++ to catch this problem. He also writes a function to make the combinations. The function uses a loop to let the participant input 6 numbers one by one. Each number is stored in a list only if it passes all validation checks. Sabihin nito, pagka pinalo lang yung rules na bawal maulit, tapos letter dapat number lang, valid number, tapos 1 to 49 lang. Once all 6 numbers are valid, the program sorts them and displays the results. After finishing the program, Carl tests it 5, 12, 23, 34, 41, and 6. The output is your chosen lottery numbers are 5, 6, 12, 23, 34, 41. Okay. Kahit na hindi sunod-sunod yung pagkakabilang nyo, automatic nang ipagsusunod-sunod yan. Tapos, the program works perfectly. Then, Carl tries to enter a letter instead of a number. The program should stop and show a message. The sports committee is very happy to use the letter number figure for the fundraising events. Everything goes well. Now they want to use the same program every year. Carl is also happy because he learned how to use combination without repetition and exemption handling in a real-life problem. This simple but smart part helps both Carl and the college. Carl is proud of his work because he has two important concepts: combination without repetition and exemption handling to solve a real-world problem. This small but effective project becomes a helpful tool for future events, and Carl gains valuable experience in building reliable software. Ito naman, susubukan na natin yung code. Yan yung code natin. Wait lang. Ayaw lumikit. Yan. Mamili tayo ng number. Galayin muna natin pagka letter yung nilagay natin. Siyempre magpapakita please invalid input, please enter valid. Tapos pag nilagay namin number 50, mapupunta ng and the number must be between 1 and 49. Tapos ito naman lalagay natin ay kasing isang problem. Ito pare 1, tapos 1 lalagay natin. You already chose that number. Wait lang. Try natin yung nasa kung yung lalabas 5, 6, 12 5, 12, 23 5, 12, 23 5, 12, 23 tapos 34, 41 34, 41 6. Yan, parang pareho doon sa pinakita ko kanina. Yun lang po, maraming salamat.